Due to the fact that CN High Seal produces such a wide range of products, we have established several independent production lines. Production lines for our bolt security seal, which produces about 500,000 to 1 million sets monthly, contain a cold heading molding, lathe machining, parts assembly, stamping forming, injection molding, and testing. Production lines for our cable seal produce about 600,000 units monthly and contain steel cable fusing, aluminum alloy cutting, parts assembly, stamping forming, testing, and marking. Production lines for our plastic seal produce about 1 million pieces monthly and contains a parts punch, injection, assembly, welding, silk screen, gold stamping, laser marking, testing, and packaging. Production lines for our metal strap seal produce about 1 to 1.5 million pieces monthly. It contains stamping forming, assembly, punch riveting, embossing, testing, and other processing.